African buffalo, the black tank of the Savannah. The African buffalo, also known as the Cape buffalo, is one of the most formidable and respected animals in Africa. With its muscular body, curved horns, and unshakable spirit, it's often called the Black Death by hunters because this beast never backs down. An adult buffalo can weigh up to 2,000 pounds and stand over 5 feet tall at the shoulder. It may look like a calm grazer, but it's one of the most dangerous animals in Africa, responsible for more injuries to humans than even lions. Buffaloes live in large herds that move like armored armies across the savannah. Within these herds, there's strength in numbers. When one member is attacked, the whole group defends it. They've been known to fight off lions, forming circles around their young and charging fearlessly to rescue fallen members. Their thick, curved horns act like helmets, designed to absorb impact during fights with predators or rival males. Despite their brute strength, buffaloes are surprisingly intelligent and have excellent memories. They remember threats and can even recognize familiar faces. Buffaloes are vital to their ecosystem, shaping the grasslands as they graze and providing food for top predators. They're survivors of harsh droughts, floods, and endless danger, relying on teamwork and raw power. The African buffalo is more than just muscle. It's a symbol of unity, courage, and survival in the wild. Unpredictable, unbreakable, and untamed. This is the true tank of Africa's wilderness.